Hi, and welcome to this new Photoshop tutorial.
In this today tutorial, we will be demonstrating how we can wrap text around circle using Photoshop.
So, let's get started. Click to open Adobe Photoshop.
Create a new file. We will be using this setting for this example. Hit OK. Let's put some guidelines for this new document.
Click on the ellipse tool. Click and drag to create a circle, and while you hold that click and drag, click and hold Shift and Alt at the same time on the keyboard, or Shift and Command on Mac, to draw a symmetrical circle, starting from the center. Remove the fill color, and increase the stroke degree. And now, grab the Type tool. And if you bring the cursor over the circle, you notice that the cursor icon changes as you hover it over the edge of that circle. Once you have that wavy line enabled, just go ahead and click, and it will allow you to write some text around the circle. Now that you have written the text that you want, try to adjust the position on the circle, and to do that, we will use the Path Selection tool. And you notice this little node right here? If you click and drag on that, you should be able to move the text around the circle. Adjust the text size until it is well aligned. So, here it is, we have aligned the text on the circle from the outside. Let's now see how to make it from the inside of the circle. Choose the ellipse tool again, and draw another circle right next to the first. Type another text on that new circle using the Text tool. Use the Path Selection tool once again to adjust the position. But this time, we want it to be inside the circle. And to do that, we will bring this little nodes inside the circle. Again, and when you hold the cursor inside the circle, try to align the position of the text inside the circle. Drag it left and right until it is aligned. So, that's it. You have made it to the end of this tutorial. If you want to master Photoshop and learn professional skills, please subscribe to this channel, and like the video. Thank you.